How to invite someone to like your Facebook page on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to invite someone to like your Facebook page on PC. Without further ado, let's get started. Open a web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account. Now you can easily click on the pages from the left sidebar and select the page you want to invite people to like. After that, you simply need to click on the profile icon at top left corner to access your feed. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and then you need to locate the three dots menu below the cover photo and click on it. A menu will appear on your screen. Here you need to select invite people to connect and the list of the people will appear. So you can easily switch to your Facebook and then easily invite the friends by selecting the check boxes next to the username. And once you have selected the peoples and users, click on send invitations at bottom of the screen. And with that, once they receive your invitation, they can easily like your page. So that is how you can easily invite friends to like your page on PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.